Yellow, we are back with another video, and this one is about the GoMiners slash avatars that you've probably seen people have as their profile pictures on GoMining. So at the moment there are 3 different series. You have the human, the cryptiles, and the sentinels. They all have their own individual kind of like attributes that they give you, but together they also have these similar ones, but individual unique ones. So you get a 5% discount on upgrades on your terahash, which is pretty nice. You get a little welcome package that will ship worldwide. You also get access to pre-sales for newer collections, such as the Solana one that they just had. And then you also get access to a little private club. But for each individual one, for the human, first of all, this attribute makes it so you don't have to click the service button. So it'll automatically click it for you, basically. So you never have to return after 24 hours, because occasionally there is that time where you keep forgetting. The next one is the cryptiles. This unique ability gives you a little enhanced efficiency. So it will upgrade your farm by 1 terahash, or 1 watt per terahash, but it won't go below 20. I think it might now, because they upgraded to 15 watts per terahash. So there is a chance that it'll bring it down to 15. Not sure. That may be a new collection coming out, but you still have the same 5% discount on the terahash, the welcome package, pre-sales, and the private club. The next one you have is the sentinels. This one gives you a 20% discount on your spells, and that is for the boosting in the miner wars. I don't know why I'm kind of stumbling over my words here. And it makes it so it's 20% cheaper. So basically for every 5 spells that you use, you get a free one. Think about it like that. You can just buy them with these access keys. But to get an access key, you're going to need to have a level 10 farm, which I believe is 5,000 terahash. So about $100,000+. You can kind of do a better investment if you want. You can do the cheaper one, or you just don't even have to buy these. Most people don't have them. I don't have them, but they do help, especially these ones for the miner wars, because I have started my own clan. Literally just started it. It's just me at the moment. It is Astro. This is the Telegram name. If you guys want, you can join, and the link will be in the description for my referrals in case anyone wants to start GoMining, because you never know. Sometimes getting some nice rewards are always good. Just like this one. Just like this one. These rewards are always good. And they could get even better. If you have one of these, discount on spells, and you know you're using your boosts, you're getting discounts on it, and boom, you win a personal block. And those personal blocks, they get you some money. They get you some extra money. So feel free to join. Feel free to join the Telegram. And feel free to leave a comment if you would like to join. And have a good one.